Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Ledger Nano S Easy Guide. Start by unboxing your Ledger Nano S and connecting it to a trusted computer with the supplied USB cable. Follow on-screen prompts to choose a PIN and write down your recovery phrase on paper only. Verify the recovery words when prompted and install Ledger Live to manage apps. Keep your recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone. After connecting, set a secure PIN on the device and confirm it by re-entering the numbers. Record the 24-word recovery phrase exactly as shown, one line per word, and double-check for accuracy. Store that paper backup in a secure, offline location like a safe or lockbox that you can access. Treat the phrase as the ultimate key to your crypto and avoid any digital copies or photographs for maximum security. Open Ledger Live, create or restore an account, and allow firmware updates if prompted to keep security current. Install the apps for the coins you want to manage and add accounts for each currency. When sending funds, copy the receiver address from Ledger Live and confirm it matches the device display before approving. Regularly update Ledger Live and the device firmware to maintain protection against known vulnerabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.